Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of 3D carving using VCarve Pro software. We've got 3 key points to cover that will help you create stunning 3D models with precision and ease. Let's get right into it. Our first point focuses on securing your 3D model by adding tabs. Tabs are essential for keeping your design in place while the CNC machine carves it, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted process. I'll show you how to select your 3D model and effectively add and adjust tabs to maintain stability during the carving. Make sure to position them in areas that support your model but aren't too visible once it's finished. Select your 3D model in the software and add tabs at strategic points. It's important to place them in areas that will support the model but won't be noticeable on the finished piece. Adjust the size and thickness of the tabs as needed to ensure they are sturdy enough to hold your piece securely. Our second point involves setting up the roughing toolpath. Here I'll explain how to add a boundary offset in VCarve Pro that's larger than your ball nose bit. Specifically, we'll be using a 0.15-inch offset. This prevents any accidental crashes between the bit and your material, which is crucial for a successful carve. Watch as I navigate through the software to set this boundary properly. Lastly, our third point will cover adjusting the tool settings, particularly the plunge rate and feed rate. For optimal results, we want to set these 2 rates to be the same. In this case, we've chosen 80 inches per minute for both, which will speed the time operation while carving. However, keep in mind that the best plunge and feed rates depend on your specific CNC machine, so it's crucial to practice and experiment to find the ideal settings for your setup. This helps you maximize efficiency without compromising the quality of your work. I'll demonstrate how to make these adjustments in the software to ensure your machine runs efficiently and safely. So, to recap, our 3 key points today are securing the model with tabs, setting a proper boundary offset on the roughing toolpath, and adjusting the tool settings for a smooth carve. These steps will ensure a successful project with your CNC machine. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave any questions you have in the comments below. Happy carving, everyone!